Welcome to this Getting Started video where we'll learn how to use the TI-Nspire CXII with Bluetooth adapter and the Vernier Go Direct force and acceleration sensor. Well, first things first, let's configure the sensor to the Bluetooth adapter. We'll do this by adding a Python program, importing the Vernier Go Direct module, then adding the method setup and configure. This one-time configuration will remember the connection between the Bluetooth adapter and the sensor. Let's watch the video to see how it's done. Notice that all of the channels the sensor can measure are listed. Select up to 4. Then they are listed in values of 1 through 4. These are the numbers you'll use when you are adding parameters for graphing and events. There are 2 ways to discover a sensor. One is simply press Enter to search by proximity, that is the closest sensor, or add the ID that's printed on the sensor itself. Once the sensor is configured with the Bluetooth adapter, the first thing you might want to do is add a Python program and use the meter method to simply view the readouts of the selected channels. The next thing you might want to do is make a graph of the data and automatically save that data to the operating system and then analyze it with one of the TI-Nspire applications like List and Spreadsheets, Data and Statistics, or the Graph application. Here you're going to want to use those channel numbers that we configured with. In this example, 1 is the X acceleration and 2 is the Y acceleration. Once the data is finished collecting, use the click pad left and right to trace the data of that channel. Use click pad up to find the maximum value and click pad down to find the minimum value. You can press the number key corresponding the channel to switch to the data for that channel. Once you're finished, notice the data is automatically saved by the channel number and the run number. Runs roll over automatically after 5. There are many aspects of the graph that you can change. To do this, under the Graph menu, you'll find these methods. Be sure to put these methods before the Show Graph method. Let's watch the video to see how these are changed in action. Now let's explore the most powerful aspect of the module, and that is actually using the sensor data in a Python program. To do this, we'll use the Events and Attributes menu under the Go Direct module. Let's open a new program, and we're going to write a program that monitors the z acceleration, and when the value of the z acceleration is greater than 5 meters per second squared, we're going to print up because the sensor will be positioned in the up direction. Then, if the sensor is reading a value less than -5 meters per second squared, we'll print down since the sensor will be in a down direction. The getEvent method requires the channel as a parameter. Remember those channels we configured back in the first part of the video. The different attributes like channel name and units can also be accessed. Let's watch this program in action. Well, let's give it a try. It looks like our program is working as we expected. Well, listen, have fun coding with GoDirect sensors and the Nspire CXII calculator.